and layering together, because often the easiest way to get through a box is to layer one of the obstacles of the box. So what are boxes? That's the first thing we have to define. Is any time that the dog going over an obstacle is faced with three choices. They're visibly in his line of sight. So if the dog goes over green, over red, they have a choice of the orange jump, the black jump, the green jump. So this creates a box. It's four sides. We have it over here as well. So a lot of times boxes can still be construed as boxes even if they only have three sides. So like here, you kind of have four sides, but not all of them are super visible. So if the dog was coming this way, yes, you have the tunnel, which is not centered, the black, the yellow, the green. That create your four sides of your box. Not always are they super square. Like this one is fairly square, but in order to usually do a box, you have one longer and one kind of shorter. You even have a box here. You have the green jump, the blue jump, the black jump, the tunnel. The tunnel is not easily in there, but you can still see it. A lot of times in boxes, you have to go straight through them, meaning the dog needs to go green, red, green. They have to go straight through. This is not so hard if you have a novice dog that's running with you, where you are just driving. See how me even going this direction, I'm trying to get inside the box, and what does it do? It puts the black jump as an obstacle. Because you're moving into here going, okay, I want to be inside the box, and what am I doing? I'm pushing on the path. So the dog looks to the green. So that's kind of an obstacle, and I put this kind of purposely, so sometimes you do see them fairly close, where it's easier to just get on this side of the box and not put pressure on the outside edge. What happens to many people that have a dog that's running ahead of them or faster than them is the dog sees the inner obstacle as being the more viable because you're behind. So when you're behind, you're back here, and if the dog lands this jump and you're still back here, that's the location cue to turn. So the dog turns into you and then takes the inner obstacle. So teaching, we're going to be working, this is something new for me and for you guys, on giving a cue for working straight through the box. Meaning I want you to go straight through and not look at the outer one or the inner one, just to see that straight path of a box and to go through. I'm choosing the word go on. We already have go, and this just tells the dog they need to go straight. Remember, go is kind of in relation to the dog's nose, where we're going to just add the go on, means to just move through other obstacles. This will also help in places where you're layering obstacles, where the dog knows that they're not turning into you, that they're staying away from you and continuing on that path that you've set. So